Hey guys, Laura Dale here, your Director of Product Education for Monat, and it is Tip Tuesday. So we have some awesome blow dry techniques and tips I'm going to share with you about how to do a great blow dry to reduce frizz with Monat products, with Rejuva beads, blowout cream, our awesome Monat thermal brush, and like I said, great techniques to make your blow dry amazing. Let's get started. First, on wet hair, we apply Rejuva beads, the styling foundation if you need repair, perfect for split ends. Then, apply blowout cream. This is going to protect your hair against the blow dryer and give you a nice, smooth blow dry. So after we applied the products, we're going to section the hair off. Neat sections are super important for a perfect blow dry. Now that we've sectioned the hair, now we're going to take our thermal round brush from Monat and we'll begin to blow dry the hair. It's important to hold the hair dryer down, keeping the concentrator, the nozzle on the end of the blow dryer, in a downward position the entire time. And the reason for that is it's going to reduce frizz. So when you're waving it around like this, it's actually giving you more frizz. You want to keep it in a smooth motion, keeping tension on the brush as you roll the brush through the hair with the hair dryer in one motion. That's going to give you a frizz-free, smooth blow dry every time. And those are my tips for the blow dry. So you want to section the hair nicely, you want to use a brush with tension, and keep the concentrator facing down to reduce frizz throughout the entire blow dry. And that's going to give you your best look and best result with Monat products. Bye guys!